Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. This is day 1 of my spoken English challenge. So today I have to say something but I don't know what I have to say. So I decided to say something about me. I am from a poor family and I didn't get the more opportunity to express myself. So today I want to tell something about my journey, what I have done till now, and also what I want to do. So currently I am living in the Bangalore from 5 to 6 months, and I am doing the preparation for the technical job for the Java full stack. For that, I have made one routine, and I'll try to follow that routine only. In that routine, in the morning, I'll do the practice for the logical questions and try to remember the things which I have already learned previously. And I'll do the same thing daily. And in the afternoon, I'll just try to learn new things and new features, whatever came in the Java. And also, I'll try to learn new technologies and frameworks like Spring Boot, and try to implement all those concepts in a project. So this is the routine I followed daily. And in the night, after the dinner, I'll just try to do some new things and also try to invent some new things in the Java, and also try to get some problem and new errors, so it will help me a lot. This is the things I'm doing daily, and I'll try to give my best, and also I'll take the support from the social media, some YouTube channels, and there are some experienced person is there with me. So in free time, I'll just try to meet with those person and get the experience, and whatever the market is going, I'll take the information about all. And also that at the same time, I also take out 1.5 hour for applying the jobs. So I'll daily apply the 50 to 100 jobs on LinkedIn and Naukri, but I didn't get any reply from those. But still I'm applying daily because I know one day I got the call from the any company. I don't think, but I'll try to apply the jobs, and I'm doing these things before 5 to 6 months. But from that, I'll get only 2 to 3 calls, and all the calls I got from the Naukri.com, and in those two companies are scammed and one company is verified. So in that company I have given one interview, and in that they are asking some technical questions and also some project, an explanation about the project, and also flow of the project. So after giving the response, in the last I have asked one question: what is the problem, why I am not getting the job? Then in the last they said, you are good at technical, but your problem is what? You don't have a confidence. So first you build the confidence, and this will you got only if you give the more and more interviews. And guys, I already told that I didn't get the interviews call. So this is also one of the reason to make the videos, and the main reason is to get the fluency in the spoken English. So guys, I don't know what I speak today, but I'll try to speak something. So please guys, support me and also give me the suggestion where I have to improve. So thank you guys, and thank you for the watching.